The perfect bite potato and cheese bliss. Potato cheese balls. Sounds good, right? They are little bites of happiness. Crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside. Yum. You can make them at home easily. It's fun, and everyone loves them. Let's get cooking. What you need: ingredients for golden goodness. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. We need potatoes, of course, about 4 large ones. Cheese, cheddar is great, about 1 cup grated. 1 egg to hold everything together. Breadcrumbs, about 1 cup. Panko breadcrumbs make it extra crispy. Salt and pepper to taste, that's it. Simple, right? Get your hands dirty, let's make cheese balls. Now for the fun part. 1. Boil the potatoes until soft. Then mash them up really well. 2. Mix in the cheese, egg, salt and pepper. Mix it all up. 3. Now roll the mixture into small balls, like making snowballs but with cheese. 4. Coat each ball in breadcrumbs. Make sure they're fully covered. 5. Heat some oil in a pan. Carefully place the balls in the hot oil. 6. Fry until they're golden brown and crispy. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Section 4. Healthier options. Baking and air frying for the win. Want a healthier option? You can bake or air fry the cheese balls. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place the balls on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. For air frying, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Air fry for 8 to 10 minutes until crispy. Easy peasy. Section 5. Serving up smiles, dipping sauces and more. Your potato cheese balls are ready. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauces. Ketchup is a classic. Ranch dressing is always a winner. Sweet chili sauce adds a nice kick. Enjoy.